is where the segment begins. And way up there is where it ends. Alright, we're at 10,200 feet, so like Leadville, Colorado. Just checking out the gravel. It's gonna be so hard. Alright, it's about 5:15 a.m. at the very start, sea level going up. So we drove this yesterday about 2 miles up the gravel, and all along this whole section it was like, oh my god, this is gonna be so easy. It's flat. It looks totally flat. It doesn't feel flat now. Mile 21. It's a little intimidating to just constantly be staring at this thing. (5,100 feet climbed, and we're at an elevation of 5,055 feet. Mile 32, 6,400 feet climbed. Unfortunately, we're getting a little headwind, so hopefully you can escape that. Still sunny. This shoulder is insane. There are 2 rumble strips and like more than a full lane, as it should be. So I'm about 5 miles from the turn. The first 40 miles
Sure. Toughest part?
Everything after the gravel, I can't believe how hard that was. I mean, the gravel was so hard, and then everything after that was so much harder. I feel like I might puke.